highest package in IIM Indore was 1.1 CR, 1.1 crore, and surprisingly, it was not one student, but it was 20 students who got that package.
Basically, IPMAT is an opportunity to understand all the career choices that a student could have in future.
All the characteristics which you will require in the corporate world: risk taking, decision making, proper selection of question.
Yeah, because after an IPMAT, I guess students are going to take up the big leadership roles.
So in fact, last year there were students who even got into Harvard for the masters.
But now it is an opportunity for a 19-year to go to his friends and say like, I am from IIM Indore. What should he have ready? कि भाई दिमाग में ये बिठा लेना है कि भाई अगर तुम्हें IPMAT क्रैक करना है तो स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में ये होना ही होना है.
Psychology, you learn sociology, you learn calculus, you learn economics, you learn a foreign language, you learn drama. Program is only made for commerce graduates. Now, which is not true at all.
ये समझ सकते हैं कि IPMAT अगर बच्चे ने मन लगा के कर लिया तो कॉलेज के 4 साल अच्छे 4-5 साल जो भी है वो अच्छे से जी ले, उसके बाद तो महीने के लाख तो कमाएगा वो.
In fact, last year we had 14 converts of the top IIMs, and that's the only institute in Gujarat to have been doing that for the last 4-5 years consistently. So management is the next thing, and management with different fields is going to be the next talk of the town. IPMAT at present, I would rate it one of the best careers available for students.
Hello watchers, hello all the viewers, welcome to Ecosphere Success Unlocked. Today we have our own Karthik sir, who is an IPMAT specialist who leads the whole IPMAT course in our e-coaching. We have him here today to guide us on how students should approach IPMAT, what they should do, what they should not do, how to approach IPMAT, how not to approach IPMAT, IPMAT कैसे आपके करियर के लिए सबसे बेस्ट चॉइस है, और IPMAT में क्या क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. We are doing everything from scratch. It is going to be a very candid conversation with Karthik sir today. So stay tuned throughout the podcast and maybe you will change your course of career to the right direction. Welcome Karthik sir to our Ecosphere podcast today, and today we are going to talk about IPMAT. So sir, please explain to our audience first that what is IPMAT exactly?
Okay, so I'll change the question a little bit.
Okay.
So I get because I also do career counseling for a lot of students. This is one question that I get from a lot of parents.
Okay.
Which is the best career that one should choose after 12th? And this is where IPMAT, the answer to your question, comes in. So when I talk about all the available careers in India, IPMAT at present, I would rate it one of the best careers available for students. Now, why do I say so is, first of all, let's just understand what IPMAT is. It's an integrated program in management which gives you a dual degree, graduation, as well as a post-graduation MBA degree. Now, when you look at, it started in 2011 from IIM Indore.
Okay.
And when it started, it was a game changer. And over the last 1 decade, you would see it has now become into a phenomena with so many new IIMs coming up. We already have 6 IIMs. Every year, there is 1 or 2 new IIMs that is getting added, new top B schools getting added. And the reason why it is doing so well is the curriculum. Now, you might be a commerce student, you might be a science student, you might be a humanities student. But when you get into the IPM program, you learn subjects like psychology, you learn sociology, you learn calculus, you learn economics, you learn a foreign language, you learn drama, and these are all credit subjects. So just imagine the first 3 years, a student would get a 360-degree perspective.
So he will be like jack of all cards.
All trades, and that is the way. That is where he'll be able to understand which subject or which field he's actually going to be good at. I might choose a commerce because I feel maybe commerce would be best suited for me. But I don't know what science has to offer, what humanities has to offer. This course is more like a liberal studies for first 3 years, where you get a combination of all the topics, all the subjects. And then you make your career. This is the specialty that I want to do, and then pursue it for the next 2 years.
Okay, so basically IPMAT is an opportunity to understand all the career choices that a student could have in future.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so they can make a wise choice at the same time because they will be getting a deeper understanding of all the subjects.
Right.
But how can a student avoid any kind of confusion while going through such experiences, sir?
So I'll give you an example. When we say anybody who wants to learn a new language, what is the best age according to you to learn a new language?
I guess at a very young age it would be better.
Absolutely. So we say that a child catches new words very fast than an
Yeah.
adult does.
Yeah.
This is exactly what happens. Now, when you get into the graduation phase of your journey, that is after 12th, that's the best phase when you can mold a person as to understand what a corporate would look like, what a leadership skills would look like, what a techno-commercial skills would look like. And this is what this course is giving you. Entrepreneurship skills, leadership skills, corporate exposure. And that is why even if you get confused, it will be, I mean, from a choice of plenty, you will be getting some best options available. And when you look at the sort of companies that visit in the IIMs and the other top B schools, it's the best across the stream. So you have the best consulting companies,
Okay.
you have the best finance companies, you have the best marketing companies, you have the best business analytics companies, and this is the course where you are going to get a mix of everything.
So that's how it will be like a very boost for any person to go to choose careers through IPMAT, right? But sir, how should a student prepare for IPMAT exam?
So currently for the 5-6 IIMs that we have which are offering IPM as a course, there are 3 entrance exams. One is
Okay.
IPMAT Indore, which IIM Indore and IIM Ranchi takes, and even
Okay.
the newly introduced IIM Amritsar is taking the same exam.
Okay.
IIM Rohtak has their own exam, and JIPMAT is the exam for IIM Jammu and Bodh Gaya.
Okay.
So there are 3 exams. So student has multiple choices, unlike
Okay.
in post graduation where they have to depend only on one exam, which is CAT. So this is one way an advantage. And the second advantage is all these exams are almost very much on the similar grounds. So they test you on maths and English, maths which is mostly 9th and 10th standard maths,
Okay.
and some part in higher maths in IPMAT Indore, whereas the IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT, they have an additional section of logical reasoning. So these are the 3 parameters in which these exams test you.
Okay. So, what should be the mindset of a student who is preparing for IPMAT? Like, what should he have ready? कि भाई दिमाग में ये बिठा लेना है कि भाई अगर तुम्हें IPMAT क्रैक करना है तो स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में ये होना ही होना है. तो ऐसी कोई चीज़ है सर?
So यहाँ पर I'll just try to compare it to the other exams. So if you're preparing for JEE, NEET or a CA foundation, you need 7-8 hours of exclusive study to get into the groove. Now IPMAT is not only about having very good academics and all, it is also about having certain strategy. So just to give you an example, IPMAT Indore exam is out of 360 marks. Whereas the cutoff for IIM Indore, even if we add, so Indore has a sectional cutoff, and if we add all the sectionals, the cutoff comes out somewhere around 175-180 marks. So it's just 50% of the paper. So if somebody who is not very good in maths also will be able to easily clear the cutoff if they have strong decision making, which question should I take, which question should I leave.
Okay.
They can use the elimination method. They can
Okay.
take certain risks also, because in one of the section they don't have no negative markings.
Okay.
So these are all the characteristics which you will require in the corporate world: risk taking, decision making, proper selection of questions.
Okay. So basically, IPMAT prepares students to become one of the big shots in the world.
Yes, and
Yeah.
that's why you'll see from IIMs you have so many people who are I mean, you look at the Shark Tank judges, everybody
Yeah.
is an IIM pass out.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
look at
yeah,
the
yeah.
big corporates, everybody is an IIM pass out.
Yeah, because I personally believe that when I went to my own graduation and everything, so there was a management subject that we had. So at that time, my professor told me one thing, that even though you are doing specialty in something, but nowadays corporates do want people from varied understanding and varied industries as well.
Correct.
And I guess IPMAT provides that.
Yes.
Yeah, because after an IPMAT, I guess students are going to take up the big leadership roles. So
Right.
as a leader, you need to have knowledge of all the industries and all the aspects, right?
So here I'll just want to
yeah.
add something. So there is a myth that this program is only made for commerce graduates. Now, which is not true at all. In
Oh,
fact,
really?
if you look at the last year, IIM
Uh-huh.
Indore 150 seats, 50% of the seats were filled by science students.
Wow.
And science students are already good in maths,
Yeah.
so they have a good math
They have
skills.
an edge over others.
Yes, and they have good logical skills. And even when they look after the IPM course is over, what industry would be most suited for them? It is the business analytics industry.
Yeah.
It is the consulting industry where a lot of science students are needed. So even for a science student, this is one of the field that they should keep as one of their top options.
Now you have showed us the path that how and what you will get in the end, right, sir? But my question arises from here is कि कई बार मेरा ये मानना है कि आप सबसे ज़्यादा उन चीज़ों से सीखते हैं जो आपको नहीं करनी है. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो अगर बच्चा IPMET के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा है तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो उसको नहीं करनी है, ये मिस्टेक्स उसे अवॉइड करनी है हो सके उतनी, तो ऐसी कोई चीज़ है सर?
So IPMAT में, like I told, you don't need extensive study, but yes, you need to have a lot of knowledge of what is happening around you. Because वहाँ पर जब इंग्लिश की हम बात करें, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस आते हैं, वो आपके पर्टिकुलर कोर्स से नहीं आएंगे. So you might be a science student, but you will get a commerce के RCs also. You will get a humanities के RCs also. So one thing is that student has to have a mind which is open to all. I mean, whatever is happening around the world, around the country, he should be aware of that. So reading a lot of newspapers, reading a lot of books. They also have to be very good in their academics because most of the top B schools will look at your academic scores also.
Okay.
So these are some things that they have to keep in mind, which they should be doing it.
Okay. I guess IPMET is a UG exam, right?
Right.
So बच्चा IPMET की एग्जाम के लिए और उसकी जो 12th की पढ़ाई है उस चीज़ को वो कैसे बैलेंस कर सकता है सर?
So that is why I think even you look at e-coaching, we encourage students to start the preparation for IPMAT in their grade 11.
Okay.
So after grade 10, usually the grade 11 is where the student wants to relax a little bit.
Yeah.
Because they feel कि मैंने 10th में एक जंग जीत ली है,
हाँ.
अब एक जंग और आ रही है तो थोड़ा आराम करते हैं. So this is where we come in. We try to train them. We try to complete the entire syllabus of IPMAT exam in the grade 11 also.
Okay.
So what happens is in 12th, they would have load of schools, boards, tuitions, IPMAT. So this reduces their load. And we try to have more of tests, mocks, practice sessions during the 12th grade. So this is an ideal strategy that they should follow. This helps them balance their academics, balance their IPMAT preparation, because for a good B school, like I said before also, you need a balanced board score and a good IPMAT score. A good 90-95% will not get you a good college, and only good IPMAT score will also not get you a good college. It's a combination of both.
Okay. Like you said sir कि IPMET इंदौर से शुरू हुई थी, IIM इंदौर से, right sir? तो IIM इंदौर से अब obviously everyone is running behind money and that's a fact, right? So IIM इंदौर में अगर IPMET करके बच्चा जाता है तो बेस्ट में से बेस्ट पैकेज क्या मिलता है सर?
So अगर हम लास्ट ईयर के पैकेज की बात करें तो द हाईएस्ट पैकेज इन IIM इंदौर वाज 1.1 CR, 1.1 crore, and surprisingly it was not one student but it was 20 students who got that package.
20 students.
20
wow.
students, 1.1 CR. So just
1.1
imagine
CR.
you are studying in 12th.
And that's a placement offer.
That's a placement offer.
Oh my god, so I guess they will be having an increment or promotion period after like 4 to 5
I mean,
years.
that figure, let's not even get
We
into this
cannot-
because this 1.1 is so lucrative.
Yeah, it is.
And even if you look at the average package, so average package of IIM Indore was approximately 26-27 lakhs for last year.
That's great. And what about the other lower IIMs who are accepting IPMET? What about their packages?
So the next in line would be IIM Rohtak and IIM Ranchi, which have an average package of approximately 19 lakhs. Then IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya, that comes next in line. They would have an average package of 15-16 lakhs. So even if you get into the lower IIMs, the 15-16 lakh is an average package there. The highest would be definitely somewhere around 40-50 lakhs.
मतलब ये समझ सकते हैं कि IPMET अगर बच्चे ने मन लगा के कर लिया तो कॉलेज के 4 साल अच्छे 4-5 साल जो भी है वो अच्छे से जी ले, उसके बाद तो महीने के लाख तो कमाएगा वो.
कमाएगा. और एक और चीज, मतलब let's say if a student gets into the IIMs, he feels that maybe I want to even push myself even further. There is an exit option available after 3 years.
What's that exit option like
So,
as in?
After 3 years, if you feel that maybe now I want to pursue my higher studies from abroad, or maybe I want to do a UPSC.
Okay.
So you can take an exit option after 3 years. You get
Okay.
your bachelor's degree, and you might not want to continue
The masters
in that
MBA,
particular college.
yeah.
So even at IIM Indore, last year, approximately 45 to 50 students out of 150 students took that exit option. And when we talk about that, because you're already going to such a top college, your aspiration gets even higher.
Yeah.
So they would now look for either IIM ABC for their masters, or
Yeah.
UPSC,
Yeah.
or abroad. So in fact, last year there were students who even got into Harvard for the masters.
Harvard School of Business.
Yes.
Wow. So I mean like obviously usually मैंने यही देखा था कि IIM जाते हैं बच्चे तो IIM अहमदाबाद का मैंने एक ट्रेंड देखा. See, I'm from Ahmedabad, so I have meet people from IIM Ahmedabad. So they were used to be people from IIT Kharagpur or IIT Kanpur or something
Correct.
like that. Usually वही के बच्चे जाते थे. But now it is an opportunity for a 19-year to go to his friends and say like I'm from IIM Indore. It's like one of the best B schools of India.
करेक्ट. सो ये एक क्वेश्चन मुझे बहुत आता है कि IIT इज बेटर और IIM इज बेटर.
Yeah.
तो उसका आंसर, आई मीन देयर इज नो राइट
Comparison,
आंसर
there
फॉर
is no
दैट,
state of comparison.
बट आई
for
टेल
that.
देम वन थिंग कि IIT के स्टूडेंट्स, even after completing their 4 years of IIT, their next aspiration is to get into IIM.
IIM, yeah.
So 60% of the students actually try for CAT and get into the IIMs. That is
IIMs,
the
yes,
IIT
yes,
students. So that answers which is more better now.
Yeah, the current situation and the facts in itself gives us the result that who is better.
Right.
The reality says it itself.
And one additional point, so now that we've talking about IITs also, so IPM, again, it looks like it's a management course, but it's not only a management course. So I know you are from law background, so you would understand this. So everybody would have heard the name of NALSAR when it comes to law.
Yeah.
So NALSAR also runs an integrated program in management,
Yeah.
which has a law and management combined together.
Yeah.
So there is a National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar in
Yes,
Delhi,
NFSU, yeah.
which is famous for its forensic science, but they also run an integrated program in management, which is forensic accounting plus management.
Yes.
There is a Nikmar College in Pune, which is well known for its construction. Even they have a management course integrated.
Yeah.
In fact, even IITs have started an integrated program. So IIT Mandi is running a IPM program with data science and management. So management is the next thing, and
Yeah.
management with different fields is going to be the next talk of the town.
Yeah, that's a fact, because I believe that slowly people are moving towards building their own empires and building their own
Absolutely.
things, right? So you need to have a management skill set. And honestly, from being from the legal background also, I have worked in legal industry for a while, and I have seen one thing that you do need management skills. It does not matter where in which industry you are. You need to know management.
Right.
आप अगर खेती भी कर रहे हो तो आपको खेती में भी मैनेजमेंट आना चाहिए कि भाई आज चारा डालना है, आज ये करना है, आज वो करना है. सो दैट इज दैट. बट सर, वन क्वेश्चन दैट arises in me, that how is e-coaching giving a difference to its student in preparation of their IPMET?
Okay. So good question. So now how are we different from others? So पहले तो I keep telling them, so we are not a coaching institute, we are a mentoring institute.
Okay.
So we try to mentor the students to get them into the best course available. So not everybody will be able to get into the IIMs, but there are a lot of other schools also. So everybody should be able to get into an institute or college or a course of their caliber. We try to push them. We try to push them to extend their limits. Now, when we talk about last 4-5 years, consistently we have students who have been converting IIMs. In fact, last year we had 14 converts of the top IIMs. And that's the only institute in Gujarat to have been doing that for the last 4-5 years consistently. We had over 50 converts for Narsimunji, Symbiosis and Christ. So each of them we had approximately 50 converts.
Wow. So
And that happens because our faculty is very much dedicated. We try to do one-to-one mentoring. Even though we meet the students mostly once a week or twice a week, but we make sure that they are doing their assignments, their homework, and they are balancing their board preparation along with the IPMAT preparation over the period of 1 week.
Oh, that's great. One thing that I would like to ask is that sir, आजकल तो हर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में मेंटरिंग का एक आ गया है, ठीक है सर, पर ऐसा तो क्या है कोचिंग के मेंटरिंग में को इतने अच्छे कन्वर्ट्स दे पा रहा है? लाइक व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन मेंटरिंग प्रोसेस दैट वी प्रोवाइड एट ई कोचिंग?
ठीक है, एक जनरल मेंटरिंग क्या होता है, हम बच्चे को बता दें कि दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू, दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज सी, ये आपको करना है, एंड यू टेक इट एंड दैट्स द मेंटरिंग डन. नाउ हियर वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड बच्चे के क्या क्या अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस है. दैट मीन्स what is his profile as of now. We also, along with the coaching part, we have events that are happening at regular interval. So e-coaching ka MUN is famous, so this is the second MUN that we are going to have. We have a half MBA ke
half day
MBA का एक competition that we had last month. So these competitions we try to inculcate into students why this is important, and when they participate in these such events along with their preparation, what they realize is it's not only the study part that they are doing, they are learning a lot of things apart from the studies also. So as a mentor, we make sure that their profile gets enhanced, they do not feel the burden of the exam pressure at any point of time. We try to make batches school wise, so what happens is whenever there is an exam in a school, we give the batch a break. Whenever they have a lean period, we try to maximize their preparation. So it's a customized based on the students' schedule, the timetable. So they don't feel burdened. And when it comes to one-to-one mentoring, we make sure that they are aware of what things they should be doing at what point of time. So you will see our faculties replying to their messages even at midnight, 2 p.m. 2 a.m. in the night also, they will be replying. So that is the kind of connect we have. And that's our philosophy also. So we believe in RCC. That is result, connect and content.
Okay, that's great, sir. One last question for you which I have is कि कोई एक टिप सर जो बच्चा खुद को मैनेजमेंट फील्ड में आगे देखना चाहता है और आईपी मैट के बारे में सोच रहा है, कोई एक टिप या वन थिंग दैट ही शुड कीप इन हिज माइंड फॉर टिल द एंड ऑफ हिज लाइफ.
सो यहाँ पर वन इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप वुड बी टू स्टे फोकस्ड. I mean, there will be a lot of distractions. हम गुजरात में हैं, कभी नवरात्रि आएगी, कभी दिवाली आएगी, कभी उत्तरायण आएगी. There will be board pressure, there will be tuition pressures. Now management में आपको सारा pressure handle करना है. And ये preparation में we make sure that they go through these pressures. मतलब हम multiple events भी कर रहे हैं, multiple exams भी कर रहे हैं, multiple tests भी कर रहे हैं. ये सारा pressure handle करवा रहे हैं ताकि उनको उस life का एक मॉक यहीं पे हो जाए. So do not miss out on any of the classes, do not miss out on any of the mocks that we are scheduled. These mocks have been strategically placed at locations where the student can understand what they are preparing, how they are preparing and how it is being tested.
Okay, thank you so much Karthik sir for giving us a deep insight into IPMAT, post IPMAT life, post IIM life. It was great to have you at Ecosphere Success Unlocked. And to all the viewers and all the watchers, subscribe to our e-coaching YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and join our Telegram channel. All the links in the below in the description box. Thank you sir. Thank you so much.